Meaning of inadvertence.
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 Inadvertence. Inadvertence means an unintentional mistake or oversight, often resulting from a lack of attention or care. It can lead to undesirable consequences, especially in situations where attention to detail is necessary. For instance, the inadvertent deletion of an important file can lead to data loss, whereas an inadvertent error in a financial report can result in serious financial repercussions. Overall, inadvertence is a common human experience that can have serious consequences, and it is important to be mindful of our actions and pay attention to the details to avoid these mistakes.